everyone, my name is Hung. I'm from TOEIC 59. Today, I would like to talk about the topic. Its name is English is the international language. Listen to me. There are more than 3,000 languages in the world today, but only about 6 are major languages of the world. Two-thirds of the world's population speak those 6 languages. More than 300 million people speak English as their native language. Another 300 million speak as a second language. No one knows how many people speak a foreign language. Chinese is the only language with more speakers than English. This is because of the huge population of China. More than 1 billion people. English is the native or official language on 1/5 of the land area of the world. It is spoken in North America, Great Britain, Australia, and New Zealand. In South Africa and Asia, it is one of the official languages. More people study English than any other language. In many countries, the textbooks in universities are in English. Many university classes are taught in English, even though the native language is not English. English is the language of international communication. It is the language of business, research, and science. More than 3/4 of the world's mail is written in English. More than 3/5 of the world's radio stations use English. More than half of the scientific and research journals are in English. Most other languages have borrowed many words. Why did English become the international language? In the middle of the 19th century, French was the international language. Then Britain became very powerful in the world. England started colonies in North America and Asia in the 17th century. By 1900, England also had colonies used internationally. After the Second World War, United States became powerful, and even more people began to learn English. Is English a good international language? It has more words than any other languages. The grammar is simpler than in the other major languages. However, English spelling is difficult. Foreigners have trouble spelling, so do native speakers. Since 1880, people have invented over 50 artificial languages. No one speaks them as a native language. However, none of them has ever become popular. Some people don't want to study English, but it is international language. There is no way to change that now. Thank you for your attention.